Going to go across the other side of town. Going to get lost. Another get lost trip. I like the old. Oh, I've got my mudguard's bent. Going to go and meet someone in the cafe right across the other side of Hoi An. So I'm going to go a new way. Going to go and find some big rice fields I'm going to go to. So let's go exploring them, and we're off. This is probably about a 5 kilometre trip. So let's go and find out. Now it's raining up large. I got stormed out yesterday. I went and got my 20 litre refill of water, big bottle, and you know those big plastic bottles that in China, when that bullshit disease that they threw on us, people were cutting the bottoms out of those bottles and wearing them on their heads like men from Mars. It was really funny. Well, I had one of them on the bike yesterday, and I parked the bike and somebody moved my bike, and 20 litres is 20 kilos. And oh, hang on, it's raining now, and the old bike tipped over and smashed the top of it. So they just replaced it for me, no problem. Yeah, you got to buy good water here. Can't drink it out of the tap. Hang on, I'm going to get wet. Believe it or not, it's just started raining again, and I'm going to do this. And if I get stormed out, I get stormed out. Camera's on, yep. So this is where I live, just around here. I just left from the villa that I was parked up at. I haven't got it quite sorted yet at a T intersection, just to pull out in front of people and just join in with the flow of my side. I'd rather just stop and wait for a gap. I saw a beauty yesterday, just where we're coming up yesterday. I'll show you. I'll wait till I get there. So this is Chau area. Oh shit. Hang on. Yeah, we're still rolling. And just at this left-hand intersection up here, as per usual, no one gives way or anything. The guy turned left here. Get my camera sorted here. I'm falling over a bit. Yeah, guy turned left here. Right, he turned left right in front of an oncoming. Boom! Perfect, perfect T-bone. Lady on a scooter ran into him. It wasn't her fault, it was his. He had his mate on the back. His mate fell off, and the guy on the motorbike took off, and with his mate running after him, and the lady broke her front guard, and she was riding after the guy that was running along, trying to catch up with his mate who took off because he didn't want to pay for it. Funny as. Here we go, Uncle's going to do it to me. So I better get a bit of a scoot on here, because I could get dumped on. Hello. And there's no cover in the rice fields once I get into them. Oh, bugger. "30-second wait." I'll wait. Make some adjustments here. Okay. Oh, here come some rats. No, no. Yeah. Get off the road, man. Okay, we're away. I'll go. So I'm winging it now. I got a fair idea. I know where I am. I'm just going to head northwest. I'm going to find a northwest passage. So that's one on the left. Okay, here's some fields. I've got a feeling I duck left here. I'm going to do it anyway. Oh shit, I don't know about that one. Might be the next one. Oh bugger, I have to... Bugger, I didn't want to check the map. Yep. Right. Left and just keep going. And keep going about 3 kilometres. Don't want to check that again. I wouldn't have checked the map, but if it's going to rain, I don't want to be backtracking too much. Follow the honky. So there you go, all my tens of viewers. If I'm going to let you down, I checked the map. Sorry about that. Well, I'm not sorry actually. Okay, so I haven't been here before. Actually, this is a bloody good path too. One thing they like to do here, I believe they've got a huge cement industry up in Vin. I've been there. There's concrete everywhere, and whether you know it or not, pharmaceuticals, oil, big business. Well, so is sand. Just check out the biggest, one of the biggest industries in India, and you'll find it's sand. They're running out. They're raping beaches. Bloody cameras falling down all the time. Beaches are being raped down to bedrock. I've got to get this camera sorted. It's falling down. Yeah, sand is big business globally. It's used in all sorts of construction, roads, and you can't wash and use beach sand because it's rounded. It has what's called no profile. You need grains of sand with jagged edges. So yeah, I just said the beaches are being raped. Well, that's sand that's coming out of rivers. and depositing, and they get that and refine it. This thing's going to be a problem for me because it keeps falling down. How's that? Car behind me. Oh no. Okay, Uncle, you can go past. Nice to let him go. It's still falling down. What the hell's going on here? Maybe if I go faster. Oh, Jesus. There's a few bumps in this road. Yeah, I'm reluctant to hold the camera and ride one-handed in case I snag myself and fall off. I'll stick to the edge here. It's a path less travelled on the edge here. Another one behind me. Oh, that man's off to a party. He's got a cake in a box. I should know. I got an invite to a party a couple of weeks ago, so I got a cake made and gifted it. So I had to walk through Hoi An Old Town like a cock with a cake in the box. It was funny. Now I am going, actually this is a lot quicker this way than where I was going to go. I'll show you where I'm. So it's been raining, as I said, it's all the floods, and I am going over, there, so that white house, orange roof, I'm going right there. There's a cafe there under that. So this bit's just a little explore. It'll go in the explore adventure category there. My massive playlist. And I'm just letting this one roll because it's. I want to make a few more vids. I don't know what they're ever going to be about, and so this is just a little random one. Uninteresting, of course, but you know, anything can happen. So it's just a process for me to let it roll. I'm just trying to get back in the groove of making a few bumpity bump. The last one I made in Da Nang, the battery went flat, and I rode on for a few K, and I'm talking away and yapping away. And you know, a bit of detail, a bit of information, and all for nothing. So I'll be back there soon for another nosy. I'll finish that one off because it's not a bad little ride down, all the way down to what's the name of the beach? I forget. Yeah, talking away, I even dedicated that part to somebody. Well, that was a waste of time. This was much quicker and more pleasant than coming through the residential houses to get where I'm about to go. Oh Jesus, nearly. So I'll just stop here. No hurry. Alright. Now I've been on this road because where I stopped turning right goes to Anbang Beach, and anyone being here knows Anbang Beach. Some people say it's a nicer beach than Da Nang. Well, I don't know, I haven't been for a swim in it, but I think it's a little less, a lot less busy. So I'm going there, something garden, and that's a big lily pond there, and where you see that fabricated pink lily, behind that a whole heap of seats, little cafe. So I'll carry on. Alright, so just down here is a ATM, a bank, and it's TP, T for Trevor, P for Paul, TP. They have a purple logo, and TP Bank, I've used their ATM ever since I've been here. No fees, it's free to use it. You only pay your bank exchange rate. Now it's only a few bucks, but that's beside the point. Even those few bucks add up. Now, there's probably been a couple of $100 worth of fees that that I haven't paid. So for anyone coming to Vietnam, T for Trevor, P for Paul, bank ATMs are the best, and they give you 5 million withdrawal. Now some of the other ones charge you $5 per withdrawal or more, and they don't let you take out as much, so work that out. You're paying a shitload of fees. Just let some traffic behind me pass here. Okay. I can smell something. Burning bush. and neon. And here's the bike I want. We'll have a look at that. Here's a PG1. Hang on. So this is the bike I want. Yamaha PG1. It's got a good box on the back here. These are only 150 bucks all up. There's a lot of these on the road now. In the past few months, there's so many of these have been registered on the road. So a good horse. Okay, I'll go and park up now. We've got a bit of soft music that I'm not a fan of. Yeah. Okay, I'll give you a quick look in here. Hey. So these are the lily fields here, but they're just about all gone now. The last time I was here, it was this was just a big pink mess. I gotta watch where I'm walking here. Put my bag down. So I come from over there, where that tower is, and rode all the way along the across there, down the road, just to here. So this is a much better way, as I've just found out, to come across town. I like that. I'll do that again if I want to come this. Well, I come this way whenever I need to go to the ATM. So yeah, we're having a swim. How's the stabilisation working? Okay, that'll do for now. Just a little adventure. I'll run this through and see what it looks like, and I'll just put it up for fun anyway. And oh yeah, that's right. So the people that have showed some concern who haven't heard from me for a while. I'm good. Everything's okay. I'm good. Health is good. Still training up large at the gym, and but it's a whole new learning curve for me. This whole journey is learning, and I won't stop making vids. It's just that no more than running with my own emotions as I settle in here and learn more about myself and my feelings, keeping them fresh and free and clean, and dealing with do I want to stay in Hoi An or not. So that took up any energy that I had for making vids. My vids run along the line of some form of artistic bent, and I'll roll for a half an hour, and there'll be one little thing that I see a little bit different perhaps than most people. Now, it might not be interesting, but it gives me purpose. So I haven't made some vids because I've just been feeling myself in, easing into this new life myself, and it hasn't left me any room in my brain for making vids while other stuff is on my mind, if that makes sense. I know there's some people it will make sense to, but for those that have been in touch and shown concern, I'm all good, and I really appreciate that. Andy from Pongolia in the UK, thanks mate. Was always asking, am I okay? I met Andy in Da Nang there, and he's a good guy, and there's a few other good people as well. So thanks to everybody for that one, and I take value in that. So it was a pity that the guy I was talking to on Da Nang Beach there, I was just standing a bit far away from, because that was a good conversation, and he asked some good questions, him and his wife to be. So turn up the volume on that. I didn't know about that. I don't have a lavalier or anything like that. Maybe I'll get one. So that's all for now. All good. Thanks very much. See you later. Bye. How do I turn this bloody thing off?